you know, this is making money and saving money with Sharon. I got another video for you. This is a great one. I don't know if you ever heard of this. I've been doing this one for maybe 5 or 6 months. It's called ATM.com. But that's the name of it. But I'm going to have the link below. But this is so many things. I am so excited to tell you about this one because there's so many things you could do on this one app. You could, let's go on here. You're going to earn daily by them asking questions. You could get paid for playing games. Okay. You can get paid for doing surveys. You could get rewarded for things that you might buy anyway. So you could stroll down here and see different things like when you shop, you could get cash back and different things. You could like I said, when you go shopping, especially online, it look like mostly online that you could do this. And like this is what I could withdraw, and then this is my lifetime. Like I said, I only been with them for like 5 or 6 months, but then let's go back to the surveys. And like I said, you could do the surveys. It's just so much you could do. They do the daily where you could they answer questions like little but it adds up. But I haven't told you the best part about, let me see. This, and it's some more games. Oh, they got some more games that you could sign up at different apps and stuff. This is the best part of all. Now, you know, a lot of them have where you do surveys and you earn points and you get the cash back or whatever. But what makes this one so special is the investment part, because that's why you see what you see up to the top. And look at the investment part. Now, I'm just going to show you, man. Don't go by, this is my investment. So don't take this as advice because I'm not a advisor or anything. But this is what the surveys and everything that I do from this app. Instead of getting cash out, I could invest. Instead of investing my money, my hard work that I earned for a living money, you could go on and do the surveys or whatever they offer, the cash back or whatever, and invest in stocks that you want to. So these are the stocks that I invested in. Look at that. And then they also have, let's see, I think they have a thing for savings, but I haven't got into that yet. But these are the stocks that I'm into. Like I said, I'm not an advisor or anything. I'm just a regular consumer, regular person. And this is what I choose to invest in. And just imagine, if you win or lose, you still doing surveys, you doing daily tasks, you doing cash back or whatever, and earning money from the stock market. Ever since I've been there, I haven't been losing yet, because of what it is, but I really need to get into this more. And I'm gonna have the link below. I think, to me, this is a game changer. If you want to get in stock, but you don't want to risk your money, but you want to learn which one's the best. Now, they don't have, let me see if I could, like you could add a stock. They had the different I'm going to slowly show you a little bit of the listing. So they don't have every stock listed. This is the ones I guess they have that they could put on their app, I guess. But this is the ones, I mean, it's some big names that's listed on here. Look at that. Sony, Starbucks. Let's go back. Target, Tesla, Toyota, Visa, Walmart. Then I'll show you these names, right? And then they also, slow this down, slow down. Like you said, I'm getting dizzy, slow down, Sharon. Like I said, this is making money, saving money with Sharon. And they got them in categories like fashion, and then anything, and fashion and beauty. And then you see the listing. And then sports and sneakers. Look at it. And then travel and transport. You can see the listing on there. E-commerce. I know the e-commerce going to be a longer list. Look at that. Home Depot, eBay, Costco, Best Buy. Let's see. Who else? Music and media. We're going to see that. That's going to be, it's kind of short. Let's see. What's that one? Social media. I mean, it's showing all the categories. They also got them in categories if you want to see what stocks available by categories. You see that? 5G. Let's see. We're going to see the 5G. Since that's the latest in technology, I don't know if I got that listed. I don't know. I don't have anything. But look, you see that, like I said, you don't have to follow what I do. But when you see that all my stocks are up, all of them. And like I said, I don't really work on this site like I supposed to, but I really need to because it's doing real good. And then you could go by the week, what it's doing, by the month, 6 months, year, if they had that. This is if those same stocks, let's say if I would have been with a whole year. So look at that, 1 week. Let's go back over again. 1 month, 6 months, a year. Like I said, the link will be below. It don't cost anything to join, but this is a great way for me, it's a great way to learn about the stock market. And then you're not risking your money. You're doing tasks like surveys and playing games and all that. And you're not even risking your own money. But at the same time, you learn about the stock market. You can't beat that. And like I said, I have the link below. It's free to join. And for you to get started, and maybe if you start out making more money than me, please let me know. So I could really get on this and really do these surveys and really do these tasks so I can make more, because you see that all my stocks are up, and I just need to get on the ball and really get into this stock, So there you have it. And also, I'm going to have a link below to see my other videos as well. And I just want to bring you more about like I said, making money, saving money with Sharon. The name says it all. So I think this is a great app, and the link will be below. And tell me what you think of it, and tell me your experience with the app as well. And thank you for watching, and I see you on another video.